All right, so let's go ahead and solve the inequality, graph the solution, and check our work. So we're going to be using the inverse operation of subtraction. All right, so number one, I'm going to take away 3 from both sides. Minus 1. All right, so I'm left with x is greater than 4. All right, find 4. Open circle, x is going to be greater than 4. All right, so I'm going to check my solutions by plugging in 4 into my original inequality. So 4 plus, actually, I'm sorry. I'm going to check my solution by looking on both sides of the 4 and see if it's true. So I have 4 and I'm going to use 3 and 5. So x equals 3, and plug that in and see if what that looks like. So 3 plus 3 is greater than 7. All right, that's not true because 6 is not greater than 7, so that can't be true. So that is not going to be true. All right, and I'm going to plug in 5 and see if that's true, just to be safe. All right, so 5 plus 3, sorry, some loud noise outside, is greater than 7, and that's true because 8 is greater than 7. All right, number 2. Y plus 2 is less than 7. All right, so let's give that a shot. Y plus 2, take away 2, take away 2. So I'm left with y that is less than 5. All right, I'm going to find. Oops, so I don't have that on the number line, so I got to go back and check that, change that. So I'll change that for you guys. So let's just say that 15 is 5, right? So let's just say that 15. So sorry, guys. Actually, let's go ahead and just do a number line real quick. All right, so I got a number line. Oh, I see what I did. I got number 2 and 3 mixed up, so I'll fix those. Maybe, I don't know. So 5, I'm just going to say 5 is here. Y is going to be less than 5. So it's going to be shaded in somewhere to the right. All right. And then I can still check my work, even though I don't have a number line. So I just know I'm going to choose on both sides of the 5. So let's say x equals 4. Let's see what that looks like. So my original equation, so 4 plus 2 less than 7, 6 is less than 7, so that would be true. All right, and if I would plug in 6, that's going to be false, not true. So 6, so 4, I'm sorry, 6 plus 2 less than 7. That's not true because 8 is not less than 7. All right, number 3. 16 is greater than or equal to m minus 9, plus 9. So take away 9 from both sides. And I'm left with, I got to remember not to do my things so bottom, so close to the bottom left. So 16 minus 9 is 7. 7 is less than or equal to m. And so I'm going to find 7. Let's close circle. Oh, and that would have been an open circle there. So close circle. 7 is greater than or equal to m, and so it's going to be over here. All right. So, okay, that concludes today's lesson. Please see below for the independent practice, which is going to require you to get on the big ideas. Click on the video next to this, the assignment. I have a video tutorial on how to access big ideas. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me or Ms. Barnes. I can help with general questions about problems in math in general. If you're in Ms. Barnes or Ms. D's class and you're having trouble getting onto big ideas, Ms. Barnes would be the one to talk to be able to get you onto that. All right, so you guys have a happy Tuesday, and see you back here on Wednesday.